All right, ladies and gents, Benjamin here. I'm gonna go over quick the queen size mattress bed frame. There's gonna be a lot more done to this still yet, but my design intentions, I'm gonna tell you those up front, is I wanted something that's gonna be sturdy, that's gonna tolerate my monkey business, as well as last a little while, and anyway, and use commonly available material. So anyway, the outside's eventually going to have drawers, and it's going to be made out of pallets. You know, I have pallet oak and all that mess on it. But I want to tell you how I built the thing. So it's mostly a bunch of 2x4s. That's the main bed frame. I did pocket every hole, as you might be able to see there. And I built this thing in the house. I don't have a shop, so needless to say, you're going to see a carpet, see that kind of thing. So the bottom frame here is 56. The short side from here to here, from end to end, is 56. And then lengthwise is 78 inches. And the reason why I did that is I wanted a 2-inch overhang, which that's about ish. I'm not the straightest with a skill saw or circular saw or whatever. But anyways, there's approximately 2 inches overhang. The top here is 80 by 60. I may or may not put some boards on the side here to go up to actually put the bed in. I don't know yet, but we'll see when the time comes. But anyway, that's 80 by 60. That's the size of a queen bed frame. And so what I did was I built the long frames first. And what I did was each of these boards, these are set, the long ones here are 78, and these are 13. So that way it's going to be about 20 inches tall. Yeah, eesh. Anyhow, so you have these bottom pieces that are 78. You're going to have 4 of those total in number, and then the number of 13s that the risers there, you're going to have 10 of those. So there's 4 on the long sides, 2 on each side. And the way I did, like I said, I pocketed everything. So that way it's kind of a clean install. And you don't have to do that if you don't have one of those Kreg jigs or whatever. I just wanted to try and see how annoying it was. Okay. Anyways, approximately every 15 inches or some damn number, there's 4 cross members that go across. Okay. Here's the cross beam that is. Those are 4-inch screws. And that was, I installed that when I, got the frame itself done, got the top done here. Got these on. Those were lined up as best as Benjamin can get them. Then I turned the whole thing over and put this thing on, so that way there's already some downward force putting on these things. And then each of them had, with the 4-inch screws, you might be able to see the holes, is I drilled about 1.5 inches into those, into here, okay? And then I had to measure every single damn one of these cross members right here, for the support so the mattress don't fall in and all that stuff. I wanted, like I said, I want good support. Each of these are also pocketed too. Each of those had to be individually measured and cut. Some of them took more than one try. Okay. That was after, obviously, so you're going to build the square first. Put these on, line up your cross, your main cross members there, line those up. Tip it upside down, put this on. This is also this one right here is 75. Okay. And then I put these on top, and the way I measured these, let me show you. So there you get the idea. So what I did was I measured from each side, and then I used the straightest 2x4 that I could find, and then went back and forth a handful of times to make sure it was even, and started drawing my lines. Now obviously these are plywood, and they're going to be 48 by 96 ish, and so that's going to be a lot bigger than the frame. So what I did was I put the first board down this side, to put that side down first, and then got it as square as I could get it, and then I put these holes in it right here, these little seams, those little screws. It kind of looks like a seam, kind of cool looking. Anyway, I put those in. And on the back side here, I didn't do anything else because I had all kinds of weight on the boards, because obviously plywood likes to stretch and do things. And so once that was on and secure, I measured from a known point here, 58 inches, because remember it's going to be 60 and it's going to stick out about 2 inches. So I measured from that end all the way to the farthest end, 58. Got my measurement, did that one down there, did that one down there. Okay, got my points, which was right here, and then made my measurement and then cut it off. Cut off the short side first, cut off the long side. So anyway, lots more to come. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, you know the drill. Thanks.